I live in Loveland and here they are giving COVID vaccinations in Greeley. Wondering how to make an appointment?
The pharmacist can help. Just a couple quick questions before I transfer you. Have you talked to a doctor about how COVID-19 could affect the vaccinations? Do you have a cough, fever, or shortness of breath?
Yes on question 1. I have no symptoms.
Where are you located? How widespread is COVID-19 in your area?
Loveland, Colorado. Around 5%. I am 77 with serious health issues, so really need to get the shot.
Anything else in your medical history you think the doctor should know?
No.
This is Dr. Megan, clinical pharmacist with over 16 years of experience. I am reviewing your question and will respond shortly. Thank you. Smile. Good afternoon. You have reached Just Answer. We are a medical information question and answer site. Please see the following link to locate vaccination locations in your area: https://www.larimer.org/health/communicable disease/coronavirus COVID-19/COVID-19 vaccine. As you may know, the vaccine is in short supply in some areas of the country right now. I recommend you contact the locations to see if they have doses available and to get scheduled. Please let me know if you have any further questions. Otherwise, have a nice day. Smile.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.